Below this video, click on Show More to see links for many of the items used in most of my videos. They are there so you can locate them in case you are interested.
Hi, my name's Gerry, and I'm a twin troller boat owner. Now we got to take the cover off. There's a plastic strip underneath the battery case you have to pull out so that the unit will work. And you have to wrap the wire 3 or 4 turns around the engine's spark plug wire. So it looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn on the fuel. Open up the vent. Vent's open. Fuel's on. Open the choke. All right, well, that's supposed to be idle. This is out of the manual. 1,000 at idle speed, or 2,000, excuse me. Idle speed, plus or minus 100. That's showing 3,000. Full throttle is 5 to 6,000. I was afraid that the water in this little bucket would fly all over and get my camera wet, so I didn't actually record me doing that at full throttle. I actually had to put a board over this to try and keep the water in there because it really threw it out. I then had to take the hose and fill it up between each attempt to get it up to the same height, because it will throw enough out that the propeller is literally spinning in the air, or with very little resistance because there's no water around the propeller. That's why I don't have that part of the video here. You'll have to take my word for it. Well, there are several codes, as you saw in the instructions, about how to operate this. For the most part, code 1, 2, and 3 has to do with revolutions per minute, RPMs. Code 1 is the default. Code 1 is the 2-stroke 1-cylinder. Code 2 is the 1-stroke per cylinder. And code 3 is 1-stroke 2 cylinders. The people that sold this to me on eBay, it's also on Amazon, they say to use code 3, which is 1 stroke for every 2-cylinder rotations. This is a 4-stroke engine, 1 cylinder. I'm not sure which code is correct, so I tried them all and I recorded it. The factory says, out of the manual, that idle should be 2,000 RPMs, give or take 100 RPMs. So it idles, it doesn't stall, so it's probably not too far off from that. But when I use code 1, it goes from 720 up to 770 RPMs. It's supposed to be 2,000. Code 2 goes from 1,660 up to 1,710. It's under. Maybe it's idling too low. Code 3 goes from 3,050 up to 3,400. Way out of the ballpark. It certainly isn't that. And that's the code that they tell you to use. The reason why I did all this was I could have sworn that this went engine-wise faster than it does now. I always wondered, is a setting gotten off? Is the adjustment gotten changed? I bought this to test it. Well, again, code 1, it should be between 5 and 6,000. Code 1 only gets to 3,870. It's clearly running faster than that. I'm just thinking it's running a little bit slower than it used to. Code 2 is at full throttle over 7,000. So this little motor would probably explode if it was running that fast. And code 3, which is the one they told me to use, is over 14,000 RPMs. No way this motor would hold together at that kind of speed, considering max RPMs per the manuals between 5 and 6,000. So the reality is, if you're going to buy one of these, buy something else, because it clearly doesn't work. Well, I didn't get to test what I wanted to test. I didn't get to do what I wanted to do, but maybe it will save you from making a mistake that I did. I think I misspoke and said I got this on eBay. I didn't. I was looking at it on eBay because they sell it there too. I bought it on Amazon. Amazon has a better return policy. I may wind up sending this back because I really just can't use it. It's just not accurate. Have a nice day.